Hi guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to get the central tendency of the age of my friends. These are the ages: 16 to 20, 11 to 15, 6 to 10, and 1 to 5. Their interval is 5. The frequencies are 1, 2, 3, and 1, which is equal to 6. The x is just the add these two numbers in the age and divide by 2, which is 18, 12, 8, and 3. The fx is just multiply the f to the x. 1 times 18, 18, 12, 3 times 8, 24, 1 times 3 is 3. X minus x bar. First get the x bar, which is the mean, which is x bar equals to sum of the fx, which is 57. So 57 over the sum of the frequency, which is 6. So 57 over 6. 57 divided by 6 is 9.5. So our x bar here is 9.5. 9.5 minus 1 is 8.5, 2.5, negative 1.5, and negative 6.5. To get the x minus x bar squared, just square all these numbers, which is 8.5 squared is 72.25, 2.5 squared is 6.25, negative 1.5 squared 2.25, and negative 6.5 squared is 42.25. To get this x minus x bar squared, just multiply these numbers here to the frequency, which is 72.25, 6.25, 6.75, and 42.25.